How to add overlays in VN Video Editor. Want to add overlays to your video? Here's the quick guide using VN Video Editor. In your project timeline, tap the overlay button at the bottom. Choose Add Overlay and pick an image or video from your gallery. The overlay will appear on top of your main clip. You can resize, move, or trim it as needed. Use the opacity slider to adjust transparency, creating subtle or bold effects. Try blending modes to get creative with how overlays interact with a video. Have you made any cool overlays? Tell us about your favorite styles in the comments below. And that's how you can add overlays in VN Video Editor. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.